Hello all, welcome you all to my YouTube channel GK Study with Akanksha. Question number 1. Which state government has launched the Rapid Immunization Skill Enhancement app to improve vaccination programs? A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Bihar, C. Haryana, D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is D. Question number 2. Which railway zone became the first in India to achieve 250 million tons of originating freight in the financial year 2024-2025? A. Western Railway, B. Northern Railway, C. East Coast Railway, D. South Eastern Railway. Correct answer is C. Question number 3. Which state government has recently launched first free fine rice scheme through ration shops? A. Maharashtra, B. Telangana, C. Gujarat, D. Punjab. Correct answer is B. Question number 4. Which institution has notified the recognition and grant of equivalence to qualifications obtained from Foreign Educational Institution Regulations 2025? A. Niti Aayog, B. University Grant Commission, C. All India Council for Technical Education, D. Indian Certificate of Secondary Education. Correct answer is B. Question number 5. Which state has inaugurated Northeast India's first onco-robotic surgery facility? A. Arunachal Pradesh, B. Assam, C. Tripura, D. Mizoram. Correct answer is B. Question number 6. The Territorial Army recently established a new task force for rejuvenation and protection of which river? A. Gomti, B. Gandak, C. Kosi, D. Sun. Correct answer is A. Question number 7. Which ministry has launched the toolkit for ninth edition of Swachh Sarvekshan, the world's largest urban cleanliness survey? A. Ministry of Commerce and Industry, B. Ministry of Jal Shakti, C. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, D. Ministry of Home Affairs. Correct answer is C. Question number 8. The Kuraga tribal community is primarily found in which states? A. Kerala and Karnataka, B. Bihar and Jharkhand, C. Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, D. Rajasthan and Gujarat. Correct answer is A. Question number 9. Which ministry has launched the National Youth Parliament Scheme 2.0? A. Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, B. Ministry of Home Affairs, C. Ministry of Corporation, D. Ministry of Defense. Correct answer is A. Question number 10. Kanjar tribe is primarily found in which region? A. Bhutan and Nepal, B. Sri Lanka and Myanmar, C. Nepal and Afghanistan, D. North India and Pakistan. Correct answer is D. Question number 11. Which state government recently inaugurated the Lakhisarai Museum? A. Bihar, B. Odisha, C. Jharkhand, D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is A. Question number 12. Where was the Hrutag Smart Village Center initiative launched? A. Mandora, Haryana, B. Bijaypur, Rajasthan, C. Daniwal, Punjab, D. Mandla, Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is A. Question 13. N Proud initiative has been launched by which state government? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Kerala, C. Karnataka, D. Maharashtra. Correct answer is B. Question number 14. देश का प्रकृति परीक्षण अभियान is an initiative of which ministry? A. Ministry of Science and Technology, B. Ministry of Ayush, C. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, D. Ministry of Education. Correct answer is B. Question 15. Which state government has launched Come and Install Solar Power Project initiative to promote solar energy? A. Uttarakhand, B. Gujarat, C. Himachal Pradesh, D. Rajasthan. Correct answer is C. Question 16. What is the name of the portal launched to improve groundwater management in India? A. Bhuneer, B. Aqua Regulate, C. Jalneer, D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Question 17. Which ministry recently launched the national campaign Bal Vivah Mukt Bharat to make India free of child marriage? A. Ministry of Science and Technology. B. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. C. Ministry of Women and Child Development. D. Ministry of Home Affairs. Correct answer is C. Question 18. She Esteem 2024 is an initiative of which institution? A. Reserve Bank of India. B. Niti Aayog. C. National Commission for Women. D. Ministry of Women and Child Development. Correct answer is B. Question 19. National Investigation Agency functions under which ministry? A. Ministry of Home Affairs. B. Ministry of Defense. C. Ministry of Corporate Affairs. D. Ministry of Finance. Correct answer is A. Question 20. What is the name of the digital platform used by CAG to improve transparency and accountability in public spendings? A. Digital Transparency Toolkit. B. Public Spending Analyzer. C. Open Data Kit. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Question 21. Prime Minister of India recently laid the foundation stone of Central Ayurveda Research Institute in which city? A. Hyderabad. B. Jaipur. C. Delhi. D. Bhopal. Correct answer is C. Question 22. Which ministry recently launched Humsafar policy in New Delhi? A. Ministry of Urban Development. B. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. C. Ministry of Defense. D. Ministry of Home Affairs. Correct answer is B. Question 23. Which ministry launched Yuva Sangam portal? A. Ministry of Defense. B. Ministry of Education. C. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. D. Ministry of Women and Child Development. Correct answer is B. Question 24. What is the primarily objective of Fortified Rice Initiative? A. Combat malnutrition. B. Increase rice exports. C. Increase rice imports. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Question 25. The Uttar Pradesh government has established country's first language museum of Hindi literature in which city? A. Varanasi. B. Gorakhpur. C. Ayodhya. D. Prayagraj. Correct answer is A. Thank you and I hope you like the video.